Hello students, this is part E of our chapter Elements, Compounds and Mixtures, and in this video we are going to cover activity series of metals. Now what is metal activity series or activity series of metals? So it is a series of metals in which metals are arranged according to their reactivity. This activity series of metals is also known as metal activity series. In metal activity series, the most reactive metal is placed at the top of the series and the least reactive metal is placed at the bottom of the series. So, first point is that the most reactive metal, it is placed at the top of the series. And the least reactive metal it is placed at the bottom of the series. So in metal activity series, at the top the most reactive, the most active metal is placed, and at the bottom the least reactive or the least active metal is placed. Now covering general metal activity series. At the top of the series there is potassium, symbol is K. It is a simple metal activity series, and in this the most reactive metal is potassium. The next one is sodium, and symbol for sodium is Na. Next one is calcium, symbol is Ca. After that, magnesium, symbol is Mg. After magnesium, aluminium, and its symbol is Al. After aluminium, there is zinc, and its symbol is Zn. After zinc, there is iron, its symbol Fe. After iron, there is lead, and its symbol is Pb. After lead, there is hydrogen. For molecular hydrogen, the molecular formula is H2, and H is for nascent hydrogen atom. H is symbol for hydrogen. After hydrogen, there is copper, symbol is Cu. After copper, there is mercury, symbol is Hg. After mercury, there is silver, symbol is Ag. After silver, in the simple metal activity series, there is gold and its symbol is AU. AU is symbol for gold. So this is a simple metal activity series in which potassium is placed here at the top and it is the most reactive metal. After that, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen is there. After hydrogen, there is copper, mercury, silver and gold. Now covering reaction of metals with water, that is H2O. This is general metal activity series. The elements which are placed at the top of the series like potassium, sodium, calcium. These are most reactive metals. That is why they are placed at the top of the metal activity series. These metals react with even cold water and the reaction is highly vigorous in nature. That is, the reaction is highly violent in nature. Since these are the most reactive metal, that is why they react even with the cold water. Now, the elements which are placed in the middle of the series like magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead. These metals are less reactive as compared to the metals which are placed at the top of the metal activity series. These metals react with boiling water or with steam but not with cold water. The reaction is less vigorous as compared to the metals which are placed at the top of the series. Less vigorous reaction means the reaction is less violent in nature. Now, the elements which are placed below hydrogen in the metal activity series are the least reactive metals. Since these are least reactive metal, they do not react with the water. So the elements which are placed at the top of the series are the most reactive one and they will react with cold water. The elements which are placed in the middle of the series are less reactive as compared to these metals and they will react with boiling water or with the steam. And the elements, the metals which are placed below hydrogen in the metal activity series are least reactive one and they do not react with water. Now covering reaction of sodium with water. So when sodium reacts with water, NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, is formed and hydrogen gas is evolved out. This reaction is vigorous because there is evolution of hydrogen and also this reaction is exothermic. The meaning of exothermic reaction is that in this reaction heat is evolved out.